So basically what we're going to do is we have this text file, .txt, we have another text file which is, I think it's questions.txt, and what we're going to do is we're going to try and like run both using a function, just so like we don't have to write the try catch statements more than once. So first of all, I think we should do this: string done equals then max done.txt. What that will do is this is going to be the thing which is going to be passed in. So we need to set up, first of all we need the imports, so I'm going to just import everything. Import java.io exception if you want to load exception. There we go, that's one of them. Then is import java.nio.charset. You guys can skip this bit, but like I want to use it for revision. Char sets, that one. Did I spell something wrong? Actually, I'm going to pause this and then come back to it. There we go, these are all the imports that I have because I'm revision. So we have the public static void part. We also need the second function, which will be a public static string, because obviously the parameter we're sending in is a string max and then string a. So what that will do is that will act as the local variable in this case. What's wrong with it? Saying something's wrong with it, but nothing's wrong with it. Method must result in type of string. Oh yeah, it's saying add a return statement, so we will do that. So we're going to try. So we need a try catch loop. Try and then catch. Perfect. So in the try, okay, then in this catch we will also need the IO exception, and then we're going to call that E, because why not. Then say .out.println and then E. That is not E, that is E, and colon at the end of it. So what that will do is basically that will get the exception if that file is not a thing. So now I'm going to do a random line from that file. So random rand equals new random. There we go. And then that. So basically this will like int n equals rand dot next int 8. What that will do is it will choose a random number between 1 and 8. So string line equals, you can set that to anything if you want to, but I chose to set it to line because why not. File dot read all lines. I spelt lines wrong, there should be a capital L. What the hell is going on there then? And then it is paths dot get a, and then it would be dot get n, and it will just get that line number. Then end that. What the hell is wrong with this? Read all line path. What's wrong with it? Okay, so I fixed it. I actually have no clue what's going on, so I don't actually know. So is system.out.println, and then it should be line, and that will just print it here. And then here we'll just, for sanity, return a. Done. So what I'll do is that just return something for the sake of this being a function. It should really be procedure, to be honest, but we move. This is the basic way of doing this which I can think of. So what we'll now do is it will get the file, we'll get a random number, and then we'll just run it. So that was really easy. This is all you need to do, and it can work with multiple files. So instead of this being passed in, you can pass in multiple things. So after this you could pass in, I don't actually know what the file's called. I think it's called questions.txt. Questions.txt, and let's just set that to V. What that will do is it will also get another random like word from question, or another question. There we go. What computer are you using? And what that will do is you can do that as many times as you want without any discrepancies. Peace.